What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We had to make a little road trip today, and I'll show you these here in just a minute. You'll be able to see these. I'm not gonna let you see what we're working with, but we are at Moe's Speed Shop in Dallas, Georgia, and there's a very good reason we are here today. Let's get in here and see what's up. All right, guys, so before we get started, I got to introduce Jeff, Moe's Speed Shop, and of course, Marty.
How are you?
And these guys, as you can see kind of here behind us, which we're about to do a walkthrough of the shop, they do some really cool stuff here. That's the main reason we're here. And so basically, just right now, I just want to take a walk through and just kind of see what we got going on. All right, guys, so here we go. We're just going to kind of run through the shop here. We got a Marauder here. What are we doing to the Marauder?
Doing long tubes and full exhaust and a torque converter.
Sweet. Very cool. You don't see these cars.
We probably work on more of these cars than anybody in the country.
That's awesome.
We got a following for those cars. Marty used to have the fastest one, so
oh, okay, that makes sense.
Kind of followed us a little bit.
And then we've got this old Buick here.
A 40 Buick.
A 40 model Buick.
And it's getting an EcoBoost swap in it.
No way. That is too cool. Way too cool. So EcoBoost in the old school Buick. Yep. Then we got a clean edge GT.
This is James Taylor's cars, getting a 600 horse Kenny Bell equipped 2-valve.
Nice.
So it's going to be, he's going on the power tour with it. It's going to be a pretty strong little car.
Okay. Man, these wheels
Getting
rock.
to the end of it. Yeah, he custom had the wheels custom made, and then told his wife it was in here for a brake job. So,
I'll let him see the video.
Yeah, okay. So we'll omit his name.
We'll throw James under the bus.
Yeah.
This is in here getting Willwood brakes and built rear end and control arms and kind of tidying things up a little bit.
Gorgeous. This is a 93 electric red.
93 EG. Yeah, electric
EG. Yep. Wow. So getting all. Did you build the whole rear end, or
we did the rear end, the brakes,
Sweet.
the control arms. Waiting on the front brakes from Willwood now.
Gotcha. Man, talk about clean. Is it mostly stock under the hood?
This car's mostly stock. We are going to be doing either a Coyote swap or a Terminator swap on this one.
Okay.
He wants to do the suspension first, and then we'll be doing the swap stuff later on.
Man, that electric red
it's
is
a pretty color.
Man, it's amazing. And you don't see them.
You don't see them. You don't see them. Yeah, it's my favorite color. I've owned a couple of those. So.
That's awesome. And of course, we got the dyno right here, so you guys can do any kind of dyno. Do you do like SCT or HP
we do
tuners,
SCT, and we also do HP. On GM stuff, we do HP tuners.
Okay.
And on the Ford stuff, we use SCT.
Nice. Very nice. And then we got, old Charger.
Old Charger, 66 Charger. We're doing, just cut back from the paint shop. We're putting all the interior and it back together and putting pretty wheels on it.
Man.
A doctor here local owns it. We do a lot of work on all his cars. He's just a super nice guy. Yeah. And he's also Marty's neighbor.
Okay.
So we, later on, we'll probably go put some black marks out in front of his house. So,
I love it. I love it. And the word is this has a Terminator motor.
This is a Terminator car.
Very nice. I'm going to see
on
this.
This car. This is a real good friend of ours, Joe Lineberry.
Okay.
We do a lot of work for him. He has 2 cars in here right now. 3 cars are actually here right now. This was a low mileage 98 code run.
Wow.
Of course, who wants to drive a naturally aspirated
exactly
horsepower car? So it's got a Terminator with a blower. It made like 520 to the tire.
Nice.
Good running little car. Just ported supercharger. Just it runs and drives super nice.
And under the stock hood, so total sleeper status.
Drive it anywhere you want to go. Cold air conditioning. You want to go ride it later on, take it for a cruise. You don't care.
And then we got some hardware sitting right here. Holy God.
This
This is Michael Black's.
Engine.
Black's motor. It's got a 3.4 liquid cooled supercharger on it.
Man.
And it is going into a foxbody Mustang.
No way.
And he painted it that Corvette Polo green. It's like a dark green. It's gonna be very pretty. This is going in a Murphy Marauder.
Okay.
Down to a Marauder also. So we have a couple Marauder.
Marauder engines. Yeah. Then we got looks like a mint Terminator.
That's
over
a
there.
nice car. Yeah, it's got a 2.9 Whipple and cams. It made like 670 to the tires. It's in here getting a lower crank pulley and some more pallets.
Just a little more power.
A little more power.
You can never have too much, right?
Never. There's no such thing.
So you guys just pretty much do a little bit of everything. I mean, you've got you've got the older GM stuff over there.
We do lots of LS swaps and Coyote swaps and Terminator swaps. You know, the business kind of changed.
Sure.
People don't modify the newer Mustangs like they used to. You know, like we used to. You know, we bought a foxbody. The first thing we were doing is putting gears and headers.
Right. Exactly.
You know, things have kind of swapped. The cars are really, really good now. So a lot of people want to take their old cars and put, you know, late model driveline on them, so they can go cruise and enjoy them like the newer cars. So we do a lot of that.
But you've got a few of those out front.
We
here, just a minute.
We do lots and lots and lots of lots of swaps. So.
Here, just a minute. You're about to see what's up. But what's catching my eye is that freaking Bronco.
Now that's the same person that owns that black Mustang, Joe. He owns that also. He built this for his wife.
Wow.
And a really good friend of ours, Jason Duggar, did the paint and body. He is a really, really, really good paint and body guy, and he did a really awesome job on this thing. So
that is
we're doing the mechanical and the frame detailing and, you know, making it pretty.
Sure.
And, he built it for his wife, so
that's amazing. What engine?
It's a 302 out of a 95 Mustang.
Okay.
So it's
a roller
hydraulic roller. You know, it's something she can beat around in.
Jeez, that's awesome.
It's a very pretty vehicle.
You want to see the inside of it? It's actually got a...
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
if it's not too much trouble, definitely. Okay. Yeah, I can get the camera up in there. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's very nice.
That is freaking beautiful.
I'm not sure it rolled off the factory looking that.
Probably
I
better
bet it didn't.
than
I bet
this.
it didn't. So.
Yeah, it's probably better now than when it was brand new. Man, that's so cool. I'd love to have them. I think you can't buy them anymore.
No, and you know, the prices on them have gone through the roof. They really have. Like the Foxbody stuff.
Yeah,
It's all gone up.
That's crazy. And then we got LS Wagon here.
Yeah, this is
that's
Cornelius
sweet.
Murphy. This is one of our customers. We're doing a full build on it, doing 9-inch rear end LS3 with a 2.9 Whipple.
Jeez.
6-speed transmission. You know.
So it'll go.
I do pretty well. Pretty well.
The customer that owns that car crosses all the brands. He's got a really nice
Cadillac,
Mustang.
Ford. We like it all. You know, we're car guys.
Exactly.
First and foremost, we're car guys. So, you know, I hate to say that I'm not really brand loyal. I like it all. I love my Fox bodies now. And I've really got this thing now where I like C10s with Coyote motors in them. I don't know.
I wonder what. I might have something up our sleeve for that too later on. Though. Super clean old truck
This
here
is
too.
a real 72 Super Cheyenne. This is one of another customer of ours that brings us stuff to do. This guy has like every time there's a new Porsche that comes out, he has one.
Okay. I've met the kite before.
This is going to be his wife's truck to beat around in and go to Home Depot in. So.
These wheels, what they're doing with these freaking wheels are so cool.
Those wheels look amazing on it.
It's like a 20-inch rally wheel. I mean,
It looks very good on that.
It's like the Pony R's. You know, they were so cool when they came out.
I love the Pony R.
I do too.
I love the Pony R. See, we were poor. We didn't have those. We had the 95 Cobra wheel or 96 Cobra wheel painted silver and put a pony center cap in it because we were poor. We didn't, you know, we couldn't do that. So.
Well, all right, y'all. So here's the deal. We're about to go out here and see probably some of the sickest foxes around. So let's go outside. All right, so we're out front here, and man, I'm totally blown away here. 4i. It's like 82 GT.
82 GT.
Okay. And so we got a VMP and
2300 Coyote.
Jeez. This is amazing.
We didn't do the swap on this car. We're just straightening some things out and neatening some things up for the customer.
Fixing some
we're
stuff.
We're going to take the wheels off and put a pretty set of wheels on it. And,
which it needs.
Yeah, you know, it's something about having a Coyote motor and $9 for the Summit wheels.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
It's all good, you know.
Exactly. Man, but it's T-top. I mean,
it's very
that's checking some boxes for me, that's for sure. Beautiful.
I love the old square headlight cars.
I do too.
Front bumper.
One of these days, and T-tops too. I mean, that just kind of makes it. But anyway, we can't spend too much time on one car.
There's lots of cars here.
And this is a Celine.
This is my own personal car. This is actually a clone.
Okay, because I saw the plaque and I was like, okay.
2004 Cobra engine from Rob at the Parks Farm with a 2.9 Whipple. It makes 640 to the tires. A lot of fun to drive. Whole lot of fun to drive. 6-speed, you know, 355 gear. You know, take it anywhere you want to go. It's, you know, that kind of car.
Wow.
I used to be into drag racing, and now I'm into something I can go get ice cream in.
Yeah.
Now that I've gotten old and fat, I like ice cream.
Man, buy stock and tires, right?
Yeah.
Jiminy Christmas.
A whole lot of fun.
And you've got air, you've got power steering, you've got...
you know, and I have the wiper motor off of it. It's been off for about 3 years, and
Sure.
I have it detailed. Just hadn't had the time to put it on. So,
God, man, that is freaking beautiful. And then we've got
this is our customer Joe. This is kind of one of the cars that started it all for me. Me and Joe were good friends, and it's one of the first Fox bodies ever around that was fast.
Wow.
You know, back in like 92, 93, Joe bought this car, and we became friends, and I've owned the car a couple times, and
Yeah.
you know, he'll never get rid of it now, but this one's it's got a 2.3 Whipple. It's a 5-liter stroker. It makes
Wow.
750 to the tires.
Jeez.
A lot of fun to drive. We like the positive placement stuff because you never get, like, if you feel like you're in control of it, you think
Yeah.
it's all good, and then it bites you. So that's what we like.
Yeah, and plus the modular stuff. I mean, they need that extra kick.
This was a you know, no tilt, you know, crank window car.
Wow. Man, I bet this is a handful too.
It's a lot of fun. I think this car's been like 640s in the 8th at like 113 on regular radial. So.
Just when I think my car is starting to
They're
really
fun,
move,
man. They're
you
a lot
know.
of fun. This car probably has 3,000 drag strip passes on it.
God.
We used to go to the track with it and just do hot laps in it, just keep going around in circles.
Yeah.
It was, you know, crazy.
Amazing.
Neat car. This is another car, a customer of ours, and we did the whole car. This is Damian Young. Not Young. What is Damian's last name? Reynolds. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Super nice guy. The nasty notch online.
Yep.
GT500 swap motor from the parts farm.
So we got to show this because a lot of people are. I'm not sure everybody heard you right.
Yeah. GT500. Yeah.
There it is, boys. GT500. Yeah. You talk about crazy. Now it's pulleyed, but is that stock blower? Or?
Stock blower with a pulley. It
Okay.
makes a little over 500 of the tires. Got an automatic behind it, which is boo automatic, no good.
Yeah.
We need to talk him into putting a 6-speed in this thing, but
Yeah.
he likes the automatic. So, but it's got Recaro seats. You know, just a really clean car. It's a lot of fun to drive.
Oh man, I can imagine. Just throw
Lots
it
of torque.
throw it and drive and go.
Yes.
Man, and freaking BBS
and
wheels
then
look amazing.
Jason Duggar at Performance Automotive painted it. So
I love the color. It's not mineral? Is it mineral gray?
he'd have to tell you the colors on this thing. It's a special color. I don't know exactly what color it is.
It almost like a mix between dark shadow and mineral.
It's a very pretty. And I told him about the red stripe. I said I don't know about the red stripe, but now that I see the red stripe on, I like it.
Yeah,
So,
breaks it up a little bit.
yes, sir.
And then of course you did the. Oh
We
man,
did
that
this
thing's
whole truck.
supercharged
This is,
too.
This is an LS3 with a Eldebrock E4 supercharger, the 6-speed automatic.
Wow.
Air suspension, 9-inch. You know, all the good stuff.
This is like all the way done. This is like.
It's a pretty
man.
truck. It's a very pretty truck.
This truck is on air ride as well, custom interior
Already.
by our friends over at Showtime Upholstery, and you know, full wood bed. Truck has been lowered and obviously on air ride as well. And this truck is owned by a customer who we also did a 67 Chevy 2 for as well.
The floors in there also.
Oh wow.
See the rear end when you set the truck on the ground, the rear end comes to the bed.
Yeah.
So we've seen all these things done where they do the fake floor. We didn't like that look, so we just wanted something simple and clean.
That's awesome. I'll seal it up and make that a cooler too.
Yeah, and it's functional, so that's a good thing.
That's awesome. And then we got clean white vert here.
Yeah, that's a car in for some wiring issues from a local guy. We've known him for quite a while.
Heck yeah, very nice. Man, talk about a collection out here. This is amazing. So that is what is up. Huge shout out again to all the crew at Moe's Speed Shop, Dallas, Georgia. Give them a call. Freaking awesome shop, and these guys know what they are doing. Again, I mean, these things, Terminator swap, GT500 swap, Coyote swap, and Supercharger, and I've never in my life seen so many. There's a Marauder, there's a Marauder, there's a Marauder, there's a Marauder, there's a Marauder inside. Two Edge cars, that's a 95. I mean, there's so much cool stuff here. Just oh, hold on. There's another Marauder over there. So, absolutely awesome time here at Moe's Speed Shop today. They have got some sick stuff. Hit them up. Whatever you need done, they can handle it. But, again, huge shout out to the crew. Appreciate all the hospitality. And we'll definitely be back. Too much fun. So, anytime. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And guys, I got so much more coming. Make sure you're ready.